Today I'm posting my initial review of my recently purchased Moulton Mill extra length shovel. Featuring an extra long handle, the extended reach allows for comfortable and efficient digging, making it an ideal choice for tall people or those who have mobility or back issues, as it minimises the need for bending and straining. I'm hoping the new shovel will allow me to work longer in the garden in more safety and comfort. The blade is constructed from carbon steel, designed to easily tackle a variety of soil types from dense clay to loose sandy soil. Additionally, the ergonomic design of the wooden handle should provide a comfortable grip, reducing strain on my hands and wrists. The only slight gripe I have so far is the finish on the handle is a little rough to the touch, but nothing that some fine sandpaper couldn't solve. The design also looks pretty elegant too. Currently on sale for £15, I think it's a bargain to boot. Just to let you know, I've added some more information about this shovel in the description box below. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found this useful. Until next time, happy gardening. Bye for now.